been described as infested with elephants, so we're excited and a little bit apprehensive.
Now would be the absolute worst time to attempt to get through.
Okay guys, shall we move? Right now we're actually riding along an airstrip alongside the main highway. It's actually a really neat idea. I guess it's just used for emergencies. Just met another cyclist from Japan. And man, he is fully loaded. And he's been to Lesotho and you're on your way to Nairobi.
Yes, love it. I will keep in touch with you.
Yeah.
And if someday you will come to Japan by bicycle, let me know.
Well, it's not exactly wildlife, but it is the largest dog I've ever seen. Look at the size of this guy. There's a herd of eland, which is the biggest antelope. We saw some zebras over there earlier. Just packing up our camp here this morning. Starting to get these big African suns here in Botswana. Did you guys sleep well last night?
He's a big cuddly bum, that's what he is. Aren't you, mate?
So, which pannier is he going in?
I'll strap him on the rack. Actually, he can tow me along, I reckon.
Whoa.
Oh, alright. Okay. Okay, want a bit more, do you?
Not having lion food for snacks, are you?
So I'll chuck the symphony bar at them.
This is where we're staying tonight. It's called Elephant Sands. This guy's breathing pretty heavy. Looks like he's missing half of a tusk.
I'm fishing and I can't go elsewhere.
No, it's just got a tissue.